Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your health and wellness with Fitbit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure your Fitbit device is charged and ready to use. Download the Fitbit app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile. This will include entering your age, weight, height, and fitness goals. Next, pair your Fitbit device with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Follow the instructions within the app to ensure a successful connection. After pairing, familiarize yourself with the home screen of the app. You will see various metrics such as steps, heart rate, and calories burned. To track your activity, simply wear your Fitbit daily. Make sure to sync your device regularly with the app to update your progress. Explore the app's features, such as personalized exercise recommendations. Set daily reminders to encourage movement and healthy habits. Check the sleep tracking feature to monitor your sleep patterns. Use the nutrition tracker to log your meals and manage your diet. Consider joining community challenges within the app for motivation. Review your weekly and monthly stats to assess your progress. Adjust your fitness goals as needed based on your achievements. Stay informed about the latest updates offered by the Fitbit app. Make it a habit to check in with your health data regularly. This consistent engagement will help you maintain your health and wellness journey with Fitbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.